Honorable Speaker promptly held the meeting with all the floor leaders and listened to their suggestions for the further strengthening of the security in the Parliament premises. Some of these suggestions given have already been implemented. As Honorable Speaker observed this morning also that in future further measures will be taken to strengthen the Parliament security. In my opinion, this matter concerns us all and we have to speak in one voice, sir, on such a grave national issue. No politics is expected to be done by anyone on such issues. हम दलगत राजनीति से ऊपर उठ के इसमें काम करना है. In the past also, many such incidents have been taken place. I am not comparing the past incidents and defending the today's incident, but we have to learn lesson from our past to bring the bright future. On 11th April 1974, the previous incident I am quoting, sir. On 11th April 1974, one person named Shri Ratan Chandra Gupta shouted the slogan from the visitors gallery. Besides carrying two pistols, one object looking like a bomb and some pamphlets. On 26 July 1974, Shri Biplav Basu caught carrying the dagger hidden on his person, trying to enter the visitors gallery. On 26 November 1974, C. Satyajit Singh, son of Sardar C. Surendra Singh, carried the explosive and a dagger hidden on his person to the visitors gallery. On 9th and 10th January 1999, consequently on 2 days, Sri Badri Prasad and Sri Pushpendra Chavan respectively jumped from the public gallery to the chamber of Lok Sabha. So as I have already said, we are not comparing, but these incidents are unfortunately happening. This kind of unfortunate incidents are happening since beginning. Shouting slogans, throwing papers, pamphlets, and even jumping from the galleries of the houses. I have many such incidents, sir. We all understand that House of the Parliament are independent for protecting their privilege and the immunities for the efficient discharge of the function. Honorable Speaker is the custodian of the Parliament House complex and security, internal security of the Parliament House is under the purview of the Honorable Speaker. I want to emphasize that in the past such matters have always been dealt according to the direction of Honorable Speaker and the guidance of Honorable Speaker, sir. This kind of incident broadly can be dealt in two manners. This incident is clearly a grave contempt of this House, and this House has had the liberty to deal this issue as per the Constitution and the rules of the procedure and the conduct of the business. From the point of view of the violation of other laws, appropriate agencies will be dealing with this incident. As the Speaker, appropriate agencies will be dealing with the issues. This incident as per the law of the land. On this, Speaker has already written letter to the Home Secretary for the high-level inquiry, sir. Inquiry has already been initiated, sir. Already inquiry शुरू हो चुका है, sir. ऐसे इंसिडेंट जो पहले भी जब हुआ था, जो कुछ भी सिस्टम इसमें इंक्वायरी करने के लिए उस टाइम के स्पीकर जो कुछ भी कार्रवाई किया था, उसी तरह आज का स्पीकर भी बहुत संवेदनशील थे माननीय स्पीकर ने आदेश दिया है और सरकार भी इसमें बहुत ही संवेदनशील है। इसलिए मैं निवेदन करता हूं तो कृपया कार्रवाई आगे बढ़ाने के लिए मैं उन लोगों से अपेक्षा करता हूं कार्रवाई आगे बढ़ाने के लिए सब लोग बहुत चर्चा में भाग लेने के लिए भी बैठे हुए हैं। बहुत महत्वपूर्ण बिल है ये विनंती करते हुए हाउएवर सर मैं एक और चीज ऐड करना चाहता हूं। आई एम सॉरी टू से दैट इट हैज बिकम द हैबिट of the some members to politicize all the issues. I once again request them not to politicize the issue. Sir, and one more resolution I would like to bring before this House, sir. Sir, with your permission, I move the following. That this House, having taken the serious note of the misconduct of Sri T.N. Pratapan, Sri Hibi Hidden, Sushri Jyotimani, Kumari Ramya Haridas, and Sri Dean Kuriakos, in utter disregard to the House and the authority of the chair, and having been named by the chair, resolve that above mentioned members to be suspended from the service of the House for the remainder session under Rule 374(2). Thank you, sir.
The question is that the motion moved by Honorable Minister be adopted. Those in favor may say aye. Aye. Those against may say no. I think the ayes have it. The ayes have it. The motion is adopted. सभा की कार्रवाई 3 बजे तक के लिए स्थगित की जाती है।
ಲೋಕಸಭೆಯ ಕಲಾಪ ಈಗ ಮತ್ತೆ 2 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಆರಂಭವಾಯಿತು. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ಪ್ರಹ್ಲಾದ್ ಜೋಶಿ ಅವರು ಇದನ್ನು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ಈಗ 3 ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಲೋಕಸಭೆಯ ಕಲಾಪವನ್ನು ಮುಂದೂಡಲಾಗಿದೆ. ಈಗಷ್ಟೇ ಪ್ರಹ್ಲಾದ್ ಜೋಶಿ ಅವರು ಮಾತನಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು, ಸಂಸದೀಯ ವ್ಯವಹಾರಗಳ ಸಚಿವರು. ಏನೇನು ನಾವು ತನಿಖೆಗೆ ಸಹಕಾರಿಯಾಗಬೇಕು ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ವಿಚಾರಗಳನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ನಮ್ಮ ಸರ್ಕಾರ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಈ ಹಿಂದೆ ಕೂಡ ಈ ಥರದ ಒಂದಷ್ಟು ಘಟನೆಗಳು ಆಗಿವೆ. ಆ ಟೈಮ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಪೀಕರ್ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಕಾರ್ಯನಿರ್ವಹಿಸಿದ್ರು ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಸ್ಪೀಕರ್ ಅವರ ಒಂದು ಮಾರ್ಗದರ್ಶನ ಅಡಿಯಲ್ಲೇ ಈ ಸರ್ಕಾರವು ಕೂಡ ಕಾರ್ಯನಿರ್ವಹಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ತನಿಖೆಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ರೀತಿಯಾದಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಸಹಕಾರಿಯನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ, ತನಿಖೆ ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದನ್ನ ಸದನಕ್ಕೆ ತಿಳಿಸಿದ್ರು.